Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, That Begins Now. Today we're going to continue our shop tutorial. So let's get into it. So first what you want to do is, last video we put on the textures, but I forgot a little thing. Yep, a little tiny thing. So as you can see, the mirror table, it's yeah, it's kind of all light. Like, it's not supposed to do that. So let's change that. Okay. What we can do is, I want to go to, so let's go to edit mode. Okay. And then, oh yeah, I forgot we had the mirror modifier. What we can do is go to emission, add, new. Wait, do we have a glass? No. It's supposed to be mirror, not glass. Okay, I don't know how to spell mirror. Nobody cares. Then we can go to glass. And then we can set the IOR at 1000. Then we can set this thing to sharp. And then we can select this. Shift, select the other side. Click the mirror, assign. Yep, now it's a mirror. If we go to this mode, you can see. Wait, let me just wait for it to. Hold up. Do we even have denoise on? Oh yeah. Optics. Let's change it to optics. Yeah. I forgot to change it to optics. But as you can see, I can see the cupboard in the mirror. See? I can see the cupboard right there in the mirror. So now what we want to do is, the outside part is still light. I only want this inside part to be light because this shouldn't be light. Like that's not possible. I mean, it is possible, but it's not supposed to be like that. So what we want to do is go to edit mode again. Go to materials, add a new one, and let's see, green. Then we can select this top part. Shift, select this bottom part. Shift, select this bottom part. Oh, also this part. And a little bit like that. Except we don't want this part. Oh, yeah, that's what I was worried about. Top part. And then we can click the green, assign. But as you can see, this place in between. Figure out of this mode. It's like this. Hit the assign. Hit this. Shift hit that. Shift hit that. Hit that. Hit that. Assign. Yeah, and that should be good to go. And then now what we want to do is make the door lining place. So now what you can do is edit mode, and then let me select this part. So if we go here, go to transparent mode, and then select this part. That, yes, and then we can do GY, and then if we go out of the X-ray mode, Control R, like here, and then make a door like that, and then select the face, select this, indent it, and then we can select this part, and then we can move GZ, move it down, and yeah, okay. And then we can select the bottom part, E inside, Control R like that, Control R like that. Select the middle place in between E and extrude in. Yeah, and you can see it's way too high. So then you can GZ, move it down. Pretty easy. And accept GZ. Move that down. Okay, and go to this, and then edit mode. We can select this face plus this face. Actually, not the bottom face, I did it wrong. Shift the top face here, on the other side I mean. And then do glass, assign. But, right click, select, invert, new. Yeah, just keep it like that, except make it a bit more bright, like that. Hit assign. There, problem solved. And then we can go to a solidify mode, add a UV sphere. Let's do that. UI. And then we can go to edit mode and go to this mode. And then scroll in on the circle. And then we can add so go to edit mode inside and then add a cylinder GUI SRY90 GX. Go to the center, and then SGX, move it in, and then SX, and put a SX actually longer, and then go to object mode, add subdivision surface to. I got shade smooth. Put it like that. Object, Control R. GX. G. Then move it here, S, G, GX, move it in, like that, and that's good. So subscribe and like and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.